Sorry yazi ngisokoliswa i-Wi-Fi yala emsebenzini. Cela uyi-check Stens noma i-American Swiss. So ngisazozama ukuthola usize wakhe lapha eBrowns. Banginikeza usize ka-V. Ya ngixoxeleke phela ukuthi kaphiwe nje kuyaxatshana bese kwi-stockfel. Ngithe ngicela ukuphuma angisazingeni. So ke bablame uphiwe abantu be-stockfel ukuthi uyenzele lento. Ngoba mina sengiphumile ngiphume nemali. Imali bengakuyitholi. Mina bengisafaka ngithe nje if kuzoqhubeka kanje bandla ngicela ukuphuma imali yami ayinqwambe it's fine. Angisazingeni kuthiwa nje kumshubele ngale kuthiwa abantu bayamthethisa and abantu bangakubo. So ya ngicela uyibheke lezo zitolo lezo hayi bizayo nje 1.5 i-right. Then ngizokucela Friday futhi ukuthi ukhokhele iphinifa la views. Ngizokutshela but wazi ukuthi sengilikhokelile mina cause beloke ngibuze ngathi hayi sengilikhokhile ukuze ngiphume kulona. But ngiyazi ukuthi vele ngizokhokhela Friday ngisemsebenzini. Ukhona uV asikhulumi kakhulu ngiyama-avoid nje kakhulu futhi after nje sengikhulume nawe hayi ngiyama-avoid siyakhuluma kodwa hayi kakhulu. Yazi kwaqiniseka kuthiwa abantu abazali sebeshadile noma manje impilo yakhe imile ukhulisa ingane akekho semzini wakhe uhleli kubo impilo yakhe imile shame.
Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, these are voice notes from Usabelo, by the way. Usabelo Xolani, you know, I'm not sure whom he was talking to, but they're talking about Uvuyo and the preparations of Uvuyo Vuyo. So part of the things that he spoke about is the fact that Uvuyo is stuck raising her child back at home. It's not like usemzini wakhe. No, she is back at home raising a child in Indiana. There isn't really anything that he can do to help her out. Guys, speaking of that, you know, I'm asking myself ukuthi abantu bakamseleko, are they responsible enough yini ngengane zabo? Unzulu, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. Nomhlophekazi, are they responsible enough? Because I heard ukuthi umhlophekazi now stays with Uvuyo, ukuthi they went and fetched umhlophekazi since Usabelo ezihlawulile ingane. So that means ukuthi they azisahlali komayeni. It was better that time when umhlophekazi was staying with umayeni, because obviously umayeni was fully responsible for umhlophekazi. But now that umhlophekazi is at Vuyo's place, I'm wondering if Umpumelelo is going to be responsible, is going to pitch in, you know, and help out in terms of money and izinto nje ezidingwa ingane. Guys, I'm just hoping he is responsible, because it doesn't really have to be ibhedeni kaVuyo kuphela and ibhedeni kaSabelo kuphela. Kumele Umpumelelo la athi pitch in. Another thing, speaking of being stuck, guys, we didn't get to see ama graduation pictures kaVuyo. Did Vuyo graduate? Did you guys see some graduation pictures somewhere? I'm so concerned in that department, because I'm so hoping that she did finish school. If she did not, I'm so hoping that she goes back and finish school. Phela abo Vuyo guys ngabantu bokuposta like if there are good things happening in their lives, but I'm like, we did not see the graduation pictures. Where are they? Akukho nje mamgobhozi nje oyedwa nje only the graduation pictures. I'm so concerned. I'm so hoping that she did graduate, because I'm pretty sure if she did graduate, she could actually look for something to be doing, maybe umsebenzinyana or something of that sort, you know. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one, and if the voice notes are coming, we will keep on I will keep on bringing them to you guys. I'll keep on bringing them to you. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.